Hey guys, to set up a no reply email in Google Workspace, sign in to the Google Workspace admin console at admin.google.com or this front page, and go to apps right here at the top right, and you're gonna see Gmail, right? Press Gmail, and as you will expect that I haven't subscribed or bought the domain yet, so you won't be able to access the next steps. But like in the screenshot, proceed to Gmail, and then you're gonna find routing and create a new routing rule. Give the rule a name. Same goes for PC as the phone, right? Doesn't matter because I'm using a browser, not an app, so you can apply both principles. And select inbound messages as the type to effect. And under for the above types of messages, choose to reject message and enter a custom rejection notice, such as this is a system generated email to make an inquiry, and please email a different address. Okay, so quote unquote, this is a system generated email to make an inquiry, please send or please email a different address. And you're gonna be expecting that once someone tries to send an email, they will be expecting this message to pop up. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.